Hi, geometry students. Just like I told you, I'm putting together just a quick summary video of translations, which you learned in Agile Mind. So, really, the objective here is just to apply ordered pair rules for translations in the coordinate plane. So, just a quick summary. A translation, remember, is just a slide. Agile Mind has taken that a little bit further. We learned in topic 2 that a translation is really a reflection, kind of a double or a composite reflection across two parallel lines. So if we're talking the translation of triangle ABC to A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, it would be across these two parallel lines. This is kind of like the reflection in between. This would be the ordered pair rules for each point in triangle ABC to the image of it. So A went from -4, -3 to 6, -3. B, -1, -2 to 9, -2. C, -2, -1 to 8, -1. Just to quickly summarize it, basically all that means is that the translation slid each point the same distance horizontally. So the x coordinate changed by the same amount. You can see the y coordinates stayed exactly the same. The x coordinates changed by the same amount. You should be able to tell. So from -4 to 6, -1 to 9, -2 to 8, that's all 10 units. So the x coordinate changed by 10 units, and it was adding 10 units because it went to the right. You also saw this picture in one of the animations, and what they were really doing was translating this triangle to this one. So this is just a summary of the ordered pair rules. A double prime was at 6, -3. After this composite reflection across two parallel lines, or just a translation vertically, it ended up at 6, 5. Here's what happened to B double prime and C double prime. Vertically, the same exact thing happens as horizontally. Translation just slides each point the same distance vertically, so the y coordinate changed by the same amount. Notice x coordinates stayed the same, but the y coordinate changed by the same amount. And if we look at it, it went from -3 to 5, -2 to 6, -1 to 7. That is a distance of 8 units. So when we say they changed the same amount in this translation, they just increased by 8 units. So we just add 8 units to the y coordinate. Now you can also have translations where you are moving horizontally and vertically. Let me fix my typo there. There we go. So if we are talking about the translation of the original triangle ABC to this triangle, D prime, E prime, F prime, here's what the ordered pair rules would look like. And you can look at all the x coordinates. The x coordinates translated 10 units horizontally to the right, which means we would add 10 to it. -4 plus 10 would give us the 6. -1 plus 10 would give us the 9. -2 plus 10 would give us the 8. And then the y coordinates translated 8 units vertically. So every single y coordinate up by 8. So add 8. -3 plus 8 is 5. -2 plus 8 is 6. -1 plus 8 is 7. So each vertex moved the same amount horizontally, 10 units, and then the same amount vertically, 8 units. So just to summarize, translations literally just slide points horizontally, vertically, or both, horizontally and vertically. And what happens is the x coordinates changed by the same amount for that entire slide. The y coordinate is changed by the same amount for that entire slide. So I hope that helps summarize translations. Have a great day, guys.